Guy that owned this before me was dragging his feet across here once he got older, and it started to rust. He peeled all the paint off, so I'm gonna patch this. I got a patch kit, so I've been sanding this down, trying to get to bare metal, and then we're gonna throw some primer on her and get her painted up. All right, primer's applied. I'm gonna let that dry and get on to sanding and top coat. Well, I'll probably throw another coat of primer on, to be honest with you guys, because it needs it. It needs 2 more, actually. Okay, wet sanding's done. This is spectral. I'll put that on there, right?
Don't go so fast. There you go. Now you're getting some paint.
See, now we're going. Oh, yeah. That's gonna blend. Yeah.
You wet sand it and blend it in.
I'm excited. I hope it looks good.
This thing's recording.
Yeah, it is. Good thing you didn't say anything. Alright, next is wet sanding with 1000 grit, and then I'll go to 1500. I don't know. She's got a little catch to her. Wait a little bit.
Huh?
Wait a little bit.
The longer you wait, probably better. I don't know what you do.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. So we're just gonna let it dry.
Maybe just let it set till you get back.
Sell your smart device to play us anytime. And get the hits anytime.
Yeah, number 1 and 4 is next up.
What's that?
Yeah, number 1 and 4 next up.
That's what I was gonna say. I thought 1 was at the front.
Yeah.
Alright.
Specializes in auto law. Matters for you. Visit autolaw.com. You've got Kesto predicament festive.
I don't usually wear these, but for that clear coat, apparently it's really bad for you. Like the stuff that sticks to your lungs. So figured I might as well throw this thing on. That ain't too bad, fellas. Came back after a couple hours. She looks good. Looks real good. Woo! That is way better than when I did it on this one. I messed this one up so bad, and it's the reason it has fender flares on the rear.